Given the audit and stuff like
Embarrassing.
We used to sit together in math. That was actually fun. Like before. Yeah. Trust me. I'll show you. She's like pretty you know. It seemed just like
I don't know how they're gonna do this. I honestly got it. I didn't even run. It's like 2 kids at the school that are like, where's the one? Am I one of those? You there.
No, and yeah, this goes on for a while.
I'm so offended.
A lot of stuff is great.
Let's go.